Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, AI Tech, your ultimate AI hub. Today we will have a discussion on one amazing app that can do plenty of function. Rely this app deserves for you. This app is Notion. Do you know more about Notion? Notion is an all-in-one productivity and organization app that combines notes, tasks, databases, workspace, and calendars into a single platform. It's highly customizable, making it a versatile tool for individuals, teams, and organizations. Here's an overview of its uses and who uses it. Uses of Notion 1. Note-taking. Create and organize notes in a clean, structured format. Use rich text, images, videos, and embedded content to enhance notes. 2. Task and project management. Create to-do lists, Kanban boards, and Gantt charts to manage tasks and projects. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. 3. Knowledge management. Build workspace, knowledge bases, or documentation for teams or personal use. Store and organize information in a searchable, centralized location. 4. Databases. Create databases for tracking anything, for example, contacts, inventory, goals. Use different views like tables, calendars, galleries, and timelines. 5. Collaboration. Share pages and workspaces with team members for real-time collaboration. Leave comments, tag teammates, and assign tasks. 6. Personal organization. Plan goals, habits, and routines. Create journals, planners, or trackers for personal growth. 7. Templates. Use pre-built templates for resumes, meeting notes, budgets, and more. 8. Integration with other tools. Embed files, links, and tools like Google Drive, Figma, or Trello. Who uses Notion? 1. Individuals. Students, for note-taking, study schedules, and project management. Professionals, for organizing work, tracking goals, and managing personal tasks. Creatives, for brainstorming, content planning, and portfolio building. 2. Teams and businesses. Startups, for project management, documentation, and team collaboration. Remote teams, for centralized communication and task tracking. Design and development teams, for sprint planning, bug tracking, and design workspace. 3. Educators and researchers. For lesson planning, research organization, and academic collaboration. 4. Content creators. For content calendars, idea repositories, and audience engagement tracking. 5. Freelancers. For managing clients, projects, and invoices in one place. Why people love Notion? Customizability. Tailor the app to fit your specific needs. All-in-one tool. Replace multiple apps, for example, Evernote, Trello, Google Docs with one platform. User-friendly interface. Easy to use, even for non-technical users. Cross-platform sync. Access your workspace on desktop, mobile, and web. Notion's flexibility makes it a popular choice for anyone looking to streamline their workflow, whether for personal or professional purposes. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. See you soon on Technology Videos.